Hello and welcome to this Ultimate CSV Importer tutorial. In this video we will see how to import JetEngine custom taxonomy data to WordPress via CSV file and also how to export from WordPress. Let's see the custom taxonomy I have created with JetEngine. This is my custom taxonomy CPT1 underscore taxonomy. I have assigned this custom taxonomy to custom post type jet underscore CPT1. And I have included 17 meta fields. I have specified text field, date field, datetime field, text area field, specific editor field, switcher field, checkbox, icon picker, media field, gallery field, radio field, select field, number field, color picker, post, and repeater field. Inside the repeater field, I have specified two fields. One is text field and the other is number field. Let's see the custom taxonomy records I have in my WordPress website. You can see I have no records in my custom taxonomy. We are going to import records to this. Let's see the CSV file preparation. This is my CSV file. I have specified 4 basic category field and then I have specified JetEngine meta fields which I have assigned for my custom taxonomy. In the name field, mention the custom taxonomy name. In the slug field, mention the slug value. In the description field, provide any short description. In the parent field, provide the parent taxonomy ID. In the text field, mention the text values in single line. In the date field, provide date value like this. In the time field, provide the time value like this. In the datetime field, provide datetime value like this. In the text area field, provide multiple lines of text. In the specific editor field, specify any text included in HTML tags. In the switcher field, provide the true or false value. In the checkbox field, provide multiple checkbox values in comma separator. In the icon picker field, provide the icon name value. In the media field, provide media URL here. It can be your WordPress media URL or any publicly accessible external URL. Next, in the gallery field, provide multiple gallery images in comma separator. You can also specify your WordPress media URL or any publicly accessible external URL. In the radio field, provide the radio button value to be selected. In the select field, mention multiple select values in comma separator. In the number field, provide any numeric value. In the color picker field, provide the color in hex values. In the post field, specify the post or page name to be related. You can specify multiple values in comma separator. Next, in the repeater fields, mention multiple repeater values in pipeline separator like this. So this is my CSV file. Let's see how to import CSV data to WordPress. Move to the WordPress dashboard. Visit the Ultimate CSV Importer plugin page. You can upload your CSV from any of these locations. Now I upload it from desktop. Choose the custom taxonomy name from this drop-down. Let the new item be selected as we are importing new records. Click on Continue. You can use the already saved mapping or go for new mapping. Map all the record fields and make sure to map the JetEngine taxonomy fields. And JetEngine taxonomy repeater fields. Here you can see the fields are automatically mapped because the CSV header and WordPress field header have same name. Once you map the fields, make sure to save the mapping with the name here. Click on Continue. You can use this media handling section if you are importing any external images to your WordPress media. In the import section, you can schedule this import using this option, or you can instantly import the data using the import button. The import is completed now. Let's verify it. Here you can see the custom taxonomy and the meta fields data are imported successfully. So this is how you import JetEngine custom taxonomy with meta fields using Ultimate CSV Importer plugin. You can see the taxonomy is listed here. Now let's see how to export custom taxonomy data from WordPress. Visit the Ultimate CSV Importer plugin page and choose the Export tab. Here select the post type taxonomy, and from this drop-down, select the custom taxonomy name. You can see I have one record. Click on Continue. Click Create New Mapping. Here, provide the export file name. You can choose any file types here like CSV, XLS, XML, and JSON. I'll let it be CSV. You can also split the records and export if you have bulk records. You can also apply this advanced filter option to export specific custom taxonomies. You can use this schedule this export option to schedule your export process. To instantly export the data, click the export button. The file is exported. Click download button to save the file. The file is downloaded. Let's open and see it. Here you can see my JetEngine custom taxonomies with their meta fields. Data are exported successfully. So this is how you import and export JetEngine custom taxonomy with meta fields using Ultimate CSV Importer plugin. Thank you for watching the video.